To be a popular girl, try to be friendly and outgoing. Participate in school activities and social events so that you can put yourself out there and get to know other people. You'll also have an easier time making connections if you're active on social media. When you interact with other people, be kind, upbeat, and respectful. Treat others the way you want to be treated, and resist pressure from your peers to gossip or be unkind. Invite other people to do things with you, whether it's getting together to study or going out to the movies. If someone says no, try not to take it personally or make a big deal out of it. The occasional rejection happens to everyone. People are drawn to confidence, so hold your head up high, smile a lot, and try to act confident even if you don't always feel it. Work on building your confidence and self-esteem by doing things you enjoy, challenging yourself to learn new things, and dressing in a way that makes you feel good and reflects your personality.